what's up, you guys? It's Tony. Today I'm going to be playing a song called "I Will Follow You Into the Dark" by Death Cab for Cutie. It sounds really good on the ukulele. Now that I'm out of school, I have a lot more time to put into playing the ukulele and trying to upload more frequently. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Yeah, hopefully you guys like it, and here we go. Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark. No blinding light or tunnels to gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. In Catholic school, as vicious as Roman rule, I got my knuckles bruised by a lady in black, and I held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love. So I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. You and me have seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary, and the soles of your shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now, but it's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of rooms. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. Then I'll follow you into the dark. So yeah, there it is. Death Cab for Cutie. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment or two. I'm really liking all the support that you guys are giving me. All the nice comments and subscribers, all 7 of you. Thank you for subscribing. But with that, have a good time, or have a good time. Great, I'll leave with that.